Hi everyone, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we see about connectivity. Connectivity is the simple concept in graph theory. In a graph, the reachability among vertices by traversing the edges. For example, in real life example, in a city to city, the road network is called reachability. If one city can be reached from another city, problems if determining whether a message can be sent between two computers using intermediate link. This is the connectivity between the two objects. In graph theory, connectivity is based on reachability. Next, connectivity path. A path is a sequence of edges that begins at a vertex of a graph and it travels along the edges of the graph. So always connecting pair of adjacent vertices. This is the one of the example of connectivity path. Path means that is a walk point not repeated. Simple path does not contain an edge more than once. Next, undirected graph. Undirected graph is connected if there is a simple path between every pair of vertices. This is called a undirected graph. Next, cut vertex, cut edges. Cut vertex means the removal of one vertex, it produces a subgraph with more connected components than in the original graph. The removal of a cut vertex from a connected graph, it produced a graph that is not connected. Here, for example, V3 is a cut vertex. Suppose we remove the vertex V3, the connectivity will broke. Here, two components exist. This vertex is called a cut vertex. Similarly, cut edges, an edge whose removal produces a subgraph with more connected components than in the original graph, that is cut edge. Next, directed graph. A directed graph is strongly connected if there is a path from A to B and from B to A. Both path will be exist, that is strongly connected graph. A directed graph is weakly connected if there is a path between every two vertices in underlying undirected graph. This is a undirected graph, that is weakly connected graph. Okay, next, directed graph. Directed means the edge travel from which vertex to which vertex. It is clear in the graph. The graph is called directed graph. Directed strongly connected components. The subgraph of a graph G is that are strongly connected. This is directed graph strongly connected components. I hope everyone understand this topic. Okay, thank you.